Today, the cat is here to take part in the litter challenge. It looks at the camera set up with a puzzled expression, probably thinking, what is this? Are you filming me going to the bathroom? We begin testing the absorbency and the cat stares at the litter as if wondering, how much water can this stuff absorb? Litter quickly soaks up the water and the cat's eyes light up. It eagerly starts digging as if saying, oh, it clumped. This is good. Finally, it touches it with its paw, sniffs it, and seems to mutter to itself. Not bad. Kinda interesting. Looks like the challenge passed smoothly, and the cat gives the litter a big thumbs up.